and welcome. You're with Shell Dialogues and we're doing a very special series on water, the entire issue of water management, water scarcity. And with us here, an esteemed panel of guests. We've got Mr. Ramaswamy Iyer, former Secretary Water Resources with us. He's authored, in fact, 3 books on water. Also with us, Rajinder Singh, Magsaysay Award winner and also a very well-known water conservationist. We've got Dr. Mihir Shah, member Planning Commission, and he's someone who's got 20 years of experience in water management projects. Also with us, Himanshu Thakkar, coordinator of South Asia Network on Dams, Rivers and People. And joining us from Mumbai on a live link is a well-known film director, Shekhar Kapur. Thank you all for being with us. We actually spent the first edition of Shell Dialogues on this issue of water, trying to understand the problems that we're really facing. Today, we'd like to focus a little more on the solutions and what needs to be done by each stakeholder to ensure that we're not reaching, as Shekhar Kapur called it, a danger mark or a crisis situation. Let me actually start by inviting Shekhar Kapur yet again to talk about his film, his project, and the reasons for him to actually focus on the issue of water. Shekhar, you discussed what inspired you to make your next film, Pani, but if I could also try and understand, does your film only aim at creating awareness on the entire issue, the water crisis, or also, are you also providing certain solutions that our viewers, that you can tell our viewers about?
I think when you tell a plot, a story, there are inherent solutions. And equality of water usage is an incredible solution. Part of the problem that we are leading now to a world that is going to be divided by the politics of water. Power is going to be water. And so when I talk about in the film, the idea of equality of water usage, that's one of the solutions. Earlier we talked about the fact that there is a huge divide between water available to rural areas and those to urban areas. And it's really true that water is not only traveling where it's getting the best price and as people have the most power, it's also traveling to areas of concentration of votes. Okay? One other thing, even within urban areas, I live in Juhu. If you go to Juhu and you step into a slum called Nehru Nagar in Juhu, you will find that they get water in a tanker like 3 times a day, and they fight over water all those 3 days. And just step across the road, just step across the main road is where all the stars live, and they can have water in their showers 24 hours a day at something like 1/10 the price that these guys are getting in the slums. So there is a fundamental issue of equality that is one of the solutions that we have to take a look at. That's what my film addresses. I would say that in a larger issue, the problem with water didn't start 2 years ago or when we were discussing. Our problem started 35, 40 years ago when our forestry departments did not realize that in deforestation that we've encouraged, we are ultimately going to go to loss of soil, loss of groundwater, and ultimately loss of water. So, yes, we all need to get all the government departments together and get into crisis mode. Unfortunately, the way our government is divided into separate ministries, each one only handling what they do, don't understand that the water crisis is the biggest sociological and political crisis holding us. And it's almost like they all have to get together and say, what do we do now? And it has to be attacked on all levels, including pollution.
A huge water crisis that we are facing, obviously a lot that needs to be done. That's something that we did talk about earlier as well. But the fact that we're faced with the problem of, as Shekhar Kapur was saying, the entire inequality issue, the fact that you have the haves and the have-nots, now that's a problem that's clearly difficult to address. How do you address a problem like that, Dr. Shah?
Well, what Shekhar is saying about the silos into which we have divided water, I think that's where we are making a starting point.